Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover this MEME free airdrop. It's called Drop. You only need to do one thing in order to get this airdrop, and there are a couple of tasks to increase your chances to get more points. This is a points to earn airdrop. It's very easy, and many in Twitter are saying that if you miss it, MEME, airdrop and token, this could be your chance. So we are going to check this in detail, how you participate on this airdrop, and if you didn't know, they have 50% of the total supply for this airdrop. So if you want to take your chances in an easy airdrop, a memecoin airdrop, this is your video for today. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, very easy airdrop to apply here. This is a meme airdrop. Like you know, I cover all type of airdrops. This is called Drop, and many in Twitter are saying that if you miss it meme, the token, this may be your chance. If you don't know which one is meme, you can see here it's at position 251. And this meme token, memecoin token, had a very big update, a very big launch in Binance. You can see here that most of the volume is in Binance, and they did like 10x's on the launch, something crazy like that. Now of course it's down again, but many people are speculating right now on meme airdrop tokens, so we are going to check this video. The first thing that you need to do is go to their web at dropcoin.club farming. Once you are there, you can see you are in the farming section. Your drop points are 0 right now, and here you can see link X profile, so you need to click here and link your X profile. So connecting with Twitter, you are going to be already connected there, so click on here also to connect your Twitter and unlock the different tasks that you can do here. Like you can see, I am connected with this account, for example, and you can see I have 1952 points. And here you can see the different tasks that you can do. The first one and most important one is share your wallet. So here, after you do step 2 and connect your Twitter account, the step 3 is that you need to complete the task to get the points. So give your address to receive the airdrop. That is your first important task. You can see it here. I already have it done. This gives you 88 points. So after you do that, you are already passing your ABM address. So when they do their airdrop, they are going to send you the tokens there. And then you have very basic stuff, a lot to do on X or Twitter, and you have a referral. So here you can see follow Dropcoin Ethereum and also follow No Brain Flip. This is the one that created this drop stuff. You can go and check here, Cyclop Drop, 171k followers. Many people is following him now because of the Dropcoin Ethereum. Here you can see. So you can see that this is the person that created this. I think in a way he's promoting himself, but you can see that all the different things that they have is regarding Drop. And they basically, like they claim here, no promises, no obligations, no expectations, nothing more than Drop. So a lot is going to be for the reward system that they created for this airdrop. So you can believe that this could worth something in the future or not. It's very easy to participate, so I will give it a chance. And you actually are not connecting your wallet, you are connecting your Twitter account. So make it more secure in that aspect, that you are not linking or accepting any sign request from your wallet. You can also invite your friends. So here, when you invite your friends, are going to get points also from your system reward of referrals. So if you want to support the channel and see if we get any money on that, in the point 4 in the task, may we know who referred you, just put at cryptosystate, like you can see it here. So copy that, cryptosystate, and you will get points and I will get points too. And you can still go and share the link with others, so you can also get points from referrals. In any case, without the referrals, you can do a lot of points too. For example, you will get 8,888 if you put this on your name, on your X profile name. So this is a lot of points. You can see I don't have even a quarter of points on that. Yeah, just complete all these tasks and you are participating on this airdrop. We really don't know how much value could have. They got a little of private sale for the initial liquidity pool. They have a little for ecosystem and CX. There's a 1% tax for the devs, and then we have the 30% for the airdrop, 20% on launch of the token, and 80% a 3-month linear vesting. The initial market cap says is $100,000, so we are going to see that. And here you have a white paper link which basically says no promises, no obligations, no expectations, nothing more than drop. So that is all, guys. There's nothing else to do. Just get some points here on the farming section, get your points. But basically it's a very, very easy airdrop to apply. This is a meme coin, of course, a meme airdrop. But again, because you don't need to connect your wallet, I think it's pretty safe right now. Don't forget to check my website, cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. You can go there and check all the different airdrops that I am covering, from Scroll, Smart Layer, Ruby, Layer 0, Zksync, of course, all the important ones, but many airdrops that you may not see anywhere, like Ruby, for example, and it's a very interesting project. The same with Smart Layer. And Wofi, of course, is very important. I have pages and pages of airdrops that I have been covering. And if you really want to make a difference, you will need to know when these airdrops are distributed, and that you can do it if you are in my private Discord. I have a private Discord with monthly or yearly subscriptions, very cheap. And also I have an application for you if you want to apply to airdrops easily and have everything organized in your multiple wallets in case that you are farming, then my application is going to help you a lot. So here are the best 2 tools that you can have if you are an airdrop hunter: my application and my private Discord. I cover a lot of meme airdrops in my private Discord besides normal airdrops, airdrops distribution, new airdrops, and many other things. Also, we have a channel for general crypto stuff, so you can join here and be part of my community on the private Discord, and you will never miss a distribution for any of these airdrops. That is all for this video, guys. Remember, drop MEME airdrop is coming soon. Get your points ready so you get this airdrop. Maybe it could worth something, or maybe it's what we call in my Discord an ice cream airdrop. So after the drop, you can sell the tokens and buy you a very nice ice cream. That will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.